What's good, everybody? Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro, and in today's video we're gonna do another episode of Clueless Drinker. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to make a tequila sunrise. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Alright guys, welcome back to my magical kitchen. It's great to see you again. If you don't know, I am a big fan of Conan O'Brien. On Conan O'Brien's show, he has a series called Clueless Gamer. What's so funny about that series is he's not actually a gamer, so it does make for some interesting and entertaining videos. That's where I came up with the idea to do Clueless Drinker. As you guys know, this channel was Goodies 420, so you already know what we are about around here on this channel right here. I'm not really a drinker at all, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't know anything about bartending. I don't even know anything about alcohol. The subject matter that I know the most and that I tell you guys all about is cannabis. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and do another episode of Clueless Drinker. Remember, if I get something wrong, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So please don't kill me in the comment sections, or do kill me in the comment sections. It's all good. I don't even care. Let's go ahead and do it. So check this out. Earlier today, I already gave you guys a great video of how to make perfect chicken breast, baked chicken breast. We've already done that, and I had that meal. That was a great meal. This right here is going to be my nightcap, and I decided to do a tequila sunrise. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Let's go ahead and make a tequila sunrise. Here we go. All right, guys, so there's a couple ways to do this drink. Some people use a shaker and some people don't. For the one that I'm going to be doing, we're going to be using the shaker, so let's go ahead and get that. We got our shaker right here, and we definitely need our jigger so that way we can measure out everything that we're doing. The first thing that we're going to be putting in here is 2 ounces of tequila. Now, I do have my Jose Cuervo tequila right here, but I have my Patron right here, and I've never used this before. As you guys can tell. So I'm thinking, hey, we haven't used this before. I know you guys probably drink this straight, but why not go ahead and use this? So let's go ahead and use this right here. All right, so we got this open now. Let's go ahead and do it. 2 ounces of tequila. Here we go. Woo! All right, so the next thing that we need is 4 ounces of orange juice, which I have right here. All right, so that was our 4 ounces of orange juice. Now we've come to the part where the Goodies 420 is gonna go ahead and take effect for this particular drink right here. I'm gonna use, right here, we have some tincture, some orange flavored CBD tincture right here. So this bottle right here, this is a brand new bottle. This is a 3,000 milligram tincture bottle right here. And so what's so great about this is they actually have on here the dropper. They have a dropper on here with the milliliters, so you know how much that you're actually dosing up. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take half a milliliter right here. Half a milliliter of our CBD orange tincture right here. And add that in, there we go. And now, our drink is infused. All right, guys, so now that we have that done, let's go ahead and grab some ice. Let's go ahead and shake this up. Here we go. And I always shake it 8 to 10 seconds. I'm just counting to myself, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10. By the time you do that, that's cold and ready to go. All right, so let's go ahead and set this to the side for a second. We're gonna grab our glass, which we have right here. Now that we have our glass right here, I learned a trick watching YouTube videos. Like I told you guys, this is Clueless Drinker. I don't know what I'm doing. I researched this and somebody made a great point on one of the videos that I saw. This is a tequila sunrise, so you wanted to have that layer blended kind of look. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually put in our grenadine now. A lot of videos that I saw, they go ahead and do the whole drink and then they do the grenadine last and try to make that effect, but I wanted to be like more darker at the bottom like it's supposed to, so we're gonna go ahead and put our grenadine in first right here. So we're gonna do a quarter of a fluid ounce right here, which is half of the little side. You know, this right here, this side right here is half a fluid ounce. This right side right here is a full fluid ounce, so we're gonna do half of this side right here of grenadine. Grenadine's not that expensive. I got this for $5 at the store. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill my glass up with ice. Let's do that. All right, now that we have our glass filled with ice, it's time to add the rest of the drink. Let's do it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. Let me just grab a trusty straw right here and stir this up just a little bit so we start getting that blended type of look. Ooh, beautiful, look at that. There we go, tequila sunrise. Beautiful. All right guys, so now it's time for the garnish. We're gonna take an orange wedge and there we have it. A beautiful tequila sunrise. So guys, that's it. I really appreciate all the love and support from everybody. Thank you so much. Before we get up out of here, we gotta show some love to all of our Patreon patrons and all of the membership members right here on the channel. As you can see scrolling on the screen, I have all of their names and the level at which they showing me support. If you want to see your name on the screen on every video that I do going forward, make sure you come join the membership program here on YouTube or come support me on Patreon. Don't forget also that we do have new merch available at shop.goodeats420.com. Aprons, t-shirts, hats, all kind of cool stuff. Come over and check it out. Shop.goodeats420.com. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for all the love. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love. I'm gonna finish my drink.